Walking, walking, I love to go for walks. Walking, walking, a book box! I love books. A book! Do you know this letter? It's the letter B. The letter B says B. 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 Beach! Beach begins with B. Beach begins with B. B. Birdhouse! Birdhouse begins with B. Birdhouse begins with B. B. Bench! Bench begins with B. Bench begins with B. Oh! Banana! Banana begins with B. Banana begins with B. What B words can you find around you? If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button, the subscribe button, and please tell a friend. It helps to support me so that I can continue to create educational early learners videos for YouTube. I'll see you in another video of the Gisele Mishmash. In the meantime, I send you a mishmash of love.